Sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. You guys, I got a whole brand new video for you guys, something completely different. I am showing you my morning routine / workout, because the joke comes from my husband. When he fixed the bed, he always tells me that this is a whole workout, because where you go with all these pillows? Why the hell do we need so much pillows on this bed? And I know a lot of you girls out here could relate, so this video is for you. This is what I do every single morning, unless my husband gets up late and he's still on the bed. This way he ends up doing it. But then there is a disclaimer: I am doing this with one hand, so you have to forgive me. The pillows and everything are not going to be fixed how I would usually do it, but again, I still give myself credit because it still looks amazing. All right, so let me know what you think, and if you go through this struggle every single morning with all the pillows on your bed. This is the final look. Like I told you already, the pillows are not fixed the way that I want. I didn't pass my hand on the comforter to make sure everything was like slayed. I just wanted to show you guys a quick video how I fix the bed in the morning. I am loving the black in the room. I love me some gold. You already know that based on my other videos. You'll see a lot of gold decors in my home. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this look. What do you think of the color combinations? Do you like it? Give this video a thumbs up if you do. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Like I always tell you guys, I show you behind the scenes before we see it on YouTube. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. And again, happy new month. Enjoy your weekend.